Welcome back to another boxing training video. Today we are going to be breaking down step, step, pivot. So like always, make sure you get into your fighting positions. You have a good foundation, feet not too wide apart and not too near. Found that good zone. Hands up. The first thing you want to do is step back. And when you step back, you're not over exaggerating it. So you're not like this getting road rash on your genitalia. No, you don't want that. You just want to step here, drag the foot, step, drag. You see that? Let's do it again. So hands up, foundation good. Step, drag, step, drag. You see that? And you see how even when I'm dragging the lead foot close, I'm still have the good foundation, right? So when you're here, you step back. Don't drag your feet all here. And now you're off of balance, trying to stand on a pin. You don't want that. So you're here, boom, boom, just like that. You see? Now we're going to add the pivot into it. You're here, your hands up. Step, slide, step, slide. With the second slide, you want to be on the ball of your leader foot. When you're on the ball of your lead foot, kick this out and also put your weight on the ball. So you're here, boom. Yeah, see? Let's slow it down again. So step, slide, step, slide, kick out, boom. All right? Now we speed it up just a little faster. So you're here, move, boom, boom, boom. All right? Grab a water bottle or any object. This will help master your distance better. So imagine that this is your opponent, right? Your leader foot and your nose always face your opponent. You're here, right? Your opponent's coming towards you. So you step, slide, step, slide. But you see how I'm not going back in a straight angle? Because I've got to angle it. Because if you're going back in a straight angle and you pivot, your opponent's going to be right here. You're not hitting nothing, right? All right. So when you're here, boom, boom. You see how I'm gradually angling? So when your opponent's here, boom. Now your opponent's here. You can check, hook, cross, anything you want. All right? Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.